Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn about how to add developer tab or any other customized tab within your ribbons. So stay tuned and watch till the end. So for example, if I want to add developer tab within my these ribbons, so what I will do, I will click anywhere within those ribbon, right click, and then option will appear. Say click on customize the ribbon, click this one. Another window will pop up. You'll see this is the window just popped up. It's showing me the popular commands, main tabs, what options are within the main tabs. So if I see the developer tab option, it is unticked. If I just tick this option, the developer tab will be activated. Click this one, press OK, and now you will see the developer tab has been activated. So next thing is if I want to add any other ribbon, so again right click here, a window will pop up and then you can go to the different options. For example, if I drop down this list, it's showing me the commands not in the ribbon. If I click this one, it will only show the commands which are not appearing at the moment. So these all options are not appearing within my ribbons. So if I want to add any new options to my tabs, so firstly I'll create a new tab from here. You can see the new tab is here, and then whatever option we want to go for, click this option and then click on add button. So it will move that option within this new tab, customize tab. So press OK. Now you will see another tab. Let's call a new tab, and then within that tab, so the arrow right, so it's showing me the new option now. There is a shortcut way of going to the developer tab as well, which is the Alt L. If I press Alt L, it will take me to the developer tab. And if I go into the further options like record macro, I'll press R, or whatever option I wanna go for. I'll just keep pressing those keys and it will take me there. So this is how you can quickly add developer tab or any other customized tab within your Excel worksheet. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.